If you're still using Excel for budgeting, you're probably wasting time, making mistakes, and missing out on features that smarter platforms now offer. And I'll show you exactly what to use instead. But hang on, don't just rush into downloading random apps. There's one factor that almost everyone overlooks when switching from Excel to modern budgeting tools. And I'll reveal that near the end. It could be the difference between sticking with your new system or giving up and going back to spreadsheets. Let's get into it. First up, YNAB, short for You Need a Budget. This platform doesn't just let you track expenses, it forces you to give every dollar a job. I've recommended this to clients who used to run six-figure businesses entirely out of Excel. YNAB changed how they made decisions. It's not just visual, it's behavioral. Unlike Excel, which shows you what happened, YNAB helps you shape what will happen. You also get features like goal tracking, rollover categories, and real-time sync across devices. Now, for those who want automation without losing control, Monarch Money is what I'd use if I were building a budgeting platform myself. It combines the power of spreadsheets with the beauty of design. Think of it like Excel's smarter, better-looking cousin. You can link all your accounts, build custom rules, forecast months ahead, and even collaborate with a partner. I used Monarch when I was building out a high-level budget dashboard for a SaaS company. It replaced 3 separate tools. Then there's Tiller. If you love the idea of automating data but still want to live inside a spreadsheet, this is your bridge. It links your bank accounts directly into Google Sheets or Excel, and you get daily updates. No manual CSVs, no formulas to debug. I've helped dozens of people who were overwhelmed with Excel templates move to Tiller and suddenly feel in control again. It keeps the spreadsheet structure, but takes away the pain. If simplicity is your top priority, check out Copilot. It's built for Apple users and gives you a clean, intuitive interface, auto-categorizing expenses and helping you build better habits over time. Unlike Excel, which requires constant maintenance, Copilot quietly works in the background. I once tested it against a manual Excel sheet for 90 days. Copilot caught over $300 in hidden subscriptions I'd missed. Now, for people managing irregular income, like freelancers or commission-based earners, check out Cube Money. It's a digital envelope system, meaning you assign money to spending categories before you swipe your card. It's like Dave Ramsey meets fintech. Excel can't give you that kind of real-time discipline. Cube's physical card even denies transactions if a category is empty. Excel can't do that, obviously. And here's the twist I promised. Most people switch from Excel expecting new platforms to magically fix their finances. But that only happens if the tool matches your mindset. If you love structure and precision, Tiller or Monarch will click. If you want behavioral coaching, YNAB wins. If you just want to stop overspending, Copilot or Cube are better bets. One more thing. Unlike most videos, I'm not being paid to promote these. No affiliate commissions here. I've spent years helping individuals and companies get out of spreadsheet chaos, and these platforms are what I actually recommend when I have no skin in the game. If you got value from this and want more honest breakdowns like it, without hidden incentives, hit subscribe. That's how you support this kind of content.